Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online using social media. And to do that, I'm going to review a new product that I just found called Social Media Lead Machine. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is making money online with social media. And of course, the number one social media is Facebook. So what I was doing was perusing Facebook ads, which I do occasionally to take a look at what's going on out there and see what and who I'm being targeted by. And one of the things that popped up here was this little ad I keep seeing. It's this with this alligator, and it's brand new. Transform your Facebook profile to get unlimited free leads and sales. Now, what this is about using your Facebook profile versus a Facebook page or a Facebook group to generate organic, or AKA otherwise known as free traffic, free leads. So we're going to take a look at this and see exactly what this is all about, because I don't hear a lot of people talking about it. And it may just be this guy is running ads to his program, using this as a self-liquidating offer. So let's take a look. So I simply just clicked on the ad just to see what it's about, and then that's going to load up on a new page. And yes, as you can see right here, it's a brand new hack your Facebook profile to get, or brand new hack your Facebook profile to get unlimited free leads and sales for any type of business. See what everyone is saying about the social media lead machine. And of course, this is ClickFunnels, and you got a little info box here, claim your special offer, get instant access. Of course, there's a little video here of everyone touting how great this new hack is. Get the social media lead machine for only $7. So I think this is going to be a digital download versus a physical book, but it's the same concept. This is the self-liquidating, free plus shipping book offer, except this is just a digital download. Let's see, 3-step process, interact on social media to generate free traffic. There it is. Turn your profile into a powerful lead trap and get unlimited leads and sales on autopilot. All the big buzzwords, all the keywords. Of course, we found this, me and you found this via Facebook ads. So that says a little bit about it, but let's go ahead and just take a look. Okay, here we go. Upgrade social media lead machine. Of course, there's a little bump here. Yes, Blake, upgrade my order. Want a quick way to get your next 1,000 followers on Facebook? We created a simple viral posting system that you can use to grow your engagement on social media. Of course, so I'm getting the lead machine hack for $7 that's guaranteed unlimited free leads and sales for any type of business. But there's also a little extra training here if I want to learn their viral posting system. So for now, I'm just going to say no to that. Ignore that and just fill in some details here. All right, so we're going through this. To prevent double charges, do not press back, reload, or close this page. This exclusive offer and bonus will expire when the timer runs out. We got 15 minutes. Wait, read below for important information. Set up my exact lead system in the next 90 minutes when you join the Social Media Lead Machine Masterclass. As you can see, typical upsell, OTO, one-time offer, upgrade my order. And you can see here, it talks more about this. I'm just interested right now in getting my $7 purchase so I can set up my social media lead machine. So I'm not really interested in phase 1, phase 2, phase 4, 5, all this stuff that I'm going to get. Of course, it's all backed by ClickFunnels, which means that at some point, if I don't have it, I'm going to have to buy ClickFunnels. And of course, the picture here with ClickFunnels himself, Russell Brunson. So all good. Bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Total value $4,500 and some change, and I get it all for $197. All right, so no thanks. I don't want the same exact system that generated $25,000 in just 9 days up and running on autopilot for my business. Okay, I really don't want you to miss out, so you're going to pop it up for me one more time for me to say no again. It's all good. Things work. This is the way you do it. Congrats, your order is complete. Watch this important message from Blake Newbar. This is the guy behind the social media lead machine. And again, remember, I haven't taken a look at this yet, but so far, this is just your standard, typical ClickFunnels following the script from Russell Brunson and his expert secrets.com secrets, the whole thing. Nothing wrong with it. It works. Highly recommended. So here we go. Social media lead machine, create your account. So here we go. Pop me over to a nice little ClickFunnels member area. Of course, we got to use the same username, suggested password, and we'll go ahead and we'll get started. So here we go inside. Welcome, let's get started. This blueprint will show the power behind the social media lead machine and walk you through how it works to generate unlimited free leads and sales on complete autopilot. Here's a 5-minute video saying welcome. Appreciate you for being here. Social media lead machine blueprint. We'll go ahead and we'll download that now. And while that's downloading in the background, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at what else is in store for us here in the social media lead machine members area. And as you can see, the big red button, unlock the full training. So you got your social media lead machine blueprint right here. And then, of course, if you want to upgrade to the masterclass and the bonuses, it's going to allow you to upgrade here. So again, social media lead machine PDF is your simple, straightforward $7 self-liquidating offer. And he's got a nice little leave a review here. We'll go ahead and click on that and see what happens when we do that. So that takes us to this page that recommends that we visit this page on your mobile device to submit your testimonial and to let you know that I entered my phone number and also got a text. It says, "Hey Gary, thanks for purchasing the social media lead machine. Because you took action, I wanted to see if you'd be interested in partnering up." So they've got this all set up, super slick, it's nice. Exactly what you would think. And they are showing you, if you're following along in this funnel, they're showing you how to use social media to make money online. Of course, the sales page and the members area has led you to believe that you need to upgrade to the masterclass to get the bonuses, to get the most value out of this product, which is probably the case. I'm not saying the training's bad or good, but I am not going to upgrade. I'm just simply going to review the front end. So let's continue along and take a look at the social media lead machine blueprint. Okay, so Blake Newbar's social media lead machine PDF, the blueprint.pdf is downloaded. Of course, I'm not going to show you the entire PDF because that would just be giving it away for free and that wouldn't be right. But as you can see here, this is a great example of the way to put a PDF, a lead magnet, a self-liquidating offer to build your own book. If you follow along with this funnel, you're going to learn a ton about how to use social media to make money online. So the masterclass comes with every tool, template, bell, and whistle you need to set up your lead machine in record time. So the very first page, they go right back into offering you the upsell to get you into the masterclass. So that's great. Lead you right in there, as you can see right here, smlmprogram.com, enroll masterclass. And then it moves in after the pitch again for the upsell. Would you like fries with that? Welcome. Congratulations on getting this blueprint. Chances are you're a business owner searching for ways to generate more leads and sales using social media. If that's the case, you're in luck. This blueprint was created to show you a brand new way to unlock a passive stream of free leads and sales. We're still on the pitch here, getting you pumped up. Let's see. Highly targeted leads and sales, each passing second you were missing. So basically this is a slideshow where Blake is going to go in and start delivering you the content that you just bought. Blake Newbar, digital marketer and sales funnel expert. He's still about to show us the brand new way, and we're 4 pages in. All right, I'm going to pause here. I'm going to take a look at the rest of it, and I'm going to come back and we're going to take a look at Blake Newbar and see if he's actually eating his own dog food. Alrighty, so I went through it real quick, and I'll just show you right here what he discovered one night while sitting in a restaurant, browsing around on my Facebook on my phone, of course, and someone's profile caught my eye. And then he moves into how he looked at that profile and how he decided to take action and set up his profile to do the same thing, catch people's eye, get that free traffic that was promised here. So let's take a look at Blake Newbar and see what he's doing on Facebook. So we'll simply go back to Facebook, type in Blake Newbar, and you can see here we have Blake Newbar, the person, Blake Newbar, the page. So we'll go ahead and just open up both of those in new tabs and take a look at what he's doing on his personal profile versus what he's doing on his page. One caveat that I want to throw in here though, just to remind everyone, Facebook does have terms of service that you agree to when you create accounts, and you're technically not supposed to be doing business from your personal profile. There are ways around it, but again, do your due diligence on that when you set up your account. How many accounts you have, don't have, whether you just have one and follow the rules. I mean, those are things that you have to figure out for yourself when you're setting up and running your own business. You're the boss, make a boss decision. So here's his personal profile: launch funnels, make money, live free, join the Facebook group. So really what he's doing here is just as the blueprint has mentioned, he is catching your eye, and he is making sure that you're using the real estate that Facebook is allowing you on your free personal profile to advertise your business and generate leads. So yeah, it's good. It's an interesting strategy. Is it worth $7? It's worth $7 just to go through the process, see what Blake is doing, understand and learn the ways that he is effectively using and has taught other people in the way they're using their Facebook profile to advertise their business and get that free, again, organic traffic. So we looked at Blake's page. This is his personal profile. Let's take a look at his page and see what he's doing there. So here is his page. Transform your social media profiles to generate unlimited free leads and sales. Works for any type of business. And as you can see here, he has his page set up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the page transparency right here. And you can see this page was created May 8th, 2019. We'll go ahead and we'll click see more. So here you can see the page transparency, which we're going to use this to look at the ads. So you can scroll down here, then you can go to the ad library. And once you get into the ad library, and the reason I'm showing you this is to show you the complete and full strategy for making money online using social media. And while Blake Newbar and his blueprint for social leads using your personal profile, there's nothing wrong with that. And again, it's a great example of the self-liquidating offer, the $7 front end, leading you into the back end of the funnel to join the masterclass. But take a look at the complete picture and look at his Facebook page versus his Facebook profile, and take a look at the number of ads that are being ran on his Facebook page. Step back, look at the complete full picture, and understand that it takes both organic and paid traffic to truly make social media work. Specifically, when we're talking about Facebook, you need a collection of both. So again, while the $7 was well spent just to go through it, read it, and did I get a couple good tips? Yes, I did. I'm going to implement them on my personal profile. I personally don't use my personal profile in that fashion where I'm all business, because it is my personal profile. My business is a part of me. 30minutemarketing.net is a part of my life. It's a part of my world, obviously. It is on my personal profile. You will see it. But I will use some of the information that I learned from Blake Newbar and his social media lead machine blueprint. It was worth the $7, again, just to walk through the funnel, see the big picture, see what Blake is doing with his Facebook ads, see what Blake is doing on his Facebook page right here, and also what Blake is doing on his personal profile. And I'm also going to send him a friend request just to see what's going on and connect with him, because we do have 56 mutual friends because we are in the same business. And before you go, I want to make sure that I give you some additional free training and insight on using social media. So over at Taking Action Online, and there'll be a link in the description, so go ahead and click that. You can get some free training here. And step 4 inside of Taking Action Online is choosing one social media account. And as you can see, the big finger here is on Facebook. And me personally, that is the one that I use as my main social media. And what Philip Barman does here is he walks you through why it's vital to spend your time wisely on social media by choosing only one platform on which to develop your following. And this is not to say like all the big gurus out there that are across every platform. Yes, eventually when you grow your business, you want to expand across and put your brand and your message far and wide as possible while also being extremely targeted. But when you're first getting started, the way to do this is to pick one social media platform and build up your following on that. And again, like I said, Facebook for me. That's my personal profile. That's my page. It's my Facebook group, the 30minutemarketing.net Facebook group. Of course, there's a link in the description for that as well. Be sure to check out this free training from Taking Action Online and Philip Barrowman, as well as Blake Newbar and his social media lead machine, $7. Check it out. Get the full details on that. Use the strategy. It works. And if you're interested in the upgrade for the masterclass, I'm sure it's great information as well. I personally didn't upgrade to it, but it might be worth taking a look at. Again, don't forget that free training from Taking Action Online. Click that link. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget, check the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. With that 30-minute timer here on the end screen, click that, subscribe to the channel. More awesome content just like the video here on the end screen. Click that, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.